After 6 brutal years, the two tracks finally come together at Promontory Summit. On May 10, 1869, the lines are linked with the driving of a ceremonial golden spike.
The moment is immortalized in one of the most famous photos of the 19th century in the United States. People believe this photo deliberately omits Chinese. Despite their accomplishment, their sacrifice, their suffering, they were prohibited from entering the frame.
With the railroad now complete, the workers stand at a crossroads. Should they return to China or carve out their future in America? Thousands decide to stay and take their chances.
My great-grandfather, he was able to save money working on the railroad, go back to San Francisco and be a partner in a general store.
The bustling quarter is the center of life for Chinese immigrants. Mostly laborers, young men far from their families. Chinatown is home.